Alright, YouTube subscribers, my name is Ray Sean, known as Ray Niz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm just doing the third video of my Hampton-based St. Clarington ceiling fan. So I'm going to tell you again, it's a combination of this Hampton-based St. Clair ceiling fan motor with the blade brackets that came off my Hampton Bay Huntington 2 ceiling fan and the blades that came off my Hampton Bay Huntington 3 ceiling fan. So that's why I'm calling this fan the Hampton Bay St. Clarington. As I got that name from Jack Williamson from when he did a video of his Hampton Bay St. Clair ceiling fan with the blades that came off his Hampton Bay Huntington ceiling fan. So I'm about to go on and demonstrate this fan, starting off with high. Now it is faster with 4 blades. It is more faster with 4 blades than it is with 5 blades, which is normal for a ceiling fan. But it kind of wobbles a little bit. It kind of wobbles a little bit better with 4 blades. But when it picks up its speed, it doesn't wobble that bad. But it is blowing more air with 4 blades than it is with 5 blades. But this looks like it's going a lot fast. No, let me stop trying to make a beat off that thing now. Then I'm going to put it on medium. And then that was the pull chain tapping up against the switch housing of the fan. And then I'm about to go on and put it on low. Now, the reason why I'm doing part 3 of this fan because I'm just showing what the ceiling fan look like with 4 blades, and I'm demonstrating this fan using the factory speeds, which is the pull chain speeds. And then I'm going to show you what this fan look like with the remote speeds. Yeah, so but this kind of look like a quick connect version of what a Casablanca Victorian ceiling fan manufactured in the mid 80s look like with 4 blades and stuff. So other than that, I'm about to go on and put it on fan off. That's the improper way of me saying I'm about to turn the fan off. And then I'm not going to show the spin down. So other than that, I'm about to go on and get off this video. So this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I am out.